Cardinal Health Presource is more than a kitting service. It's a data-driven procedural pack solution that helps improve efficiencies, reduce waste, build resiliency, and optimize clinical and economic outcomes. Presource custom and standard procedure packs can help maximize your resources to find more time for what's most important, delivering high-quality care to your patients. Our mission to support your clinical and operational goals begins here at our manufacturing facilities in El Paso, Texas, and Juarez, Mexico. We currently produce thousands of packs per day that meet a wide range of procedural needs. Our team continually refines its procedures and drives innovation so you receive high-quality products. And we perform routine inspections and audits to ensure adherence to FDA and ISO standards. Our facility is also Clean Industry certified, meaning that we recycle up to 97% of unused material. And because safety is of the utmost importance, we follow standards that have earned us performance recognition by OSHA and Empresa Segura STPS. The pack assembly room has strict environmental controls and cleaning procedures to support sterilization efficacy. Our team also conducts thorough audits that include pulling a finished pack off of the production line and opening it up to review the configuration and components. This results in a 99.98% complaint-free rate, helping to drive better outcomes for you and your patients. As the pioneer of procedural packs with a 40-plus year legacy, Cardinal Health Presource has helped reduce costs, drive efficiencies, and empower clinicians with more time to focus on patient care. We can continue to innovate and grow as your needs evolve, now and into the future.